Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Andy coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, August 24th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 72 degrees. Later today we are expecting a high of 83 and a low of 70 with rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Jillian,
Kevin,
Giselle, Gunnar, Jason, Rachel.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won against the San Diego Padres with a score of 5-3. And the White Sox won against the Philadelphia Phillies with a score of 9-1. Now a message for Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Andy. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully you're having a great start to your Wednesday. Mrs. Ankrum, how are you today?
doing well. How are you?
Not too shabby.
Good.
It's this rainy Wednesday. I have a question for you. Another Ask Mrs. Ankrum. If you had to spend the rest of your life with one type of weather, what would it be?
Sunny.
Other than being sunny.
Oh. Warm. No rain.
I don't know if we would accept that as an answer, but
We're going to accept that today. I do have a question for you as well. This is from Procore in Mrs. DeSalvo's classroom. Well, it's to me, but then it has to be reversed. Mrs. Ankrum, if you had been Mr. Schmelzer's mother, what first name would you have given him? I would have named him Oliver.
because she has a cat named Oliver.
He got it first.
So
Now to you.
I'm supposed to, what would I name you?
Yep.
Misty. She looks like a Misty, doesn't she? Especially on this rainy Wednesday. All right. Just a reminder to all the students, rain or shine tomorrow, we are going to be coming in the front doors. That is our normal routine now, so we'll start to come in just like we did today. Just a few reminders too, we want to be safe, respectful, responsible, PBIS, earn those Herbie high fives. And I think that's all I have for today, actually. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Andy.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that about 95% of the Earth's oceans are still unexplored? Scientists say that there are countless ocean animals and plants that are still to be discovered. That's all for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday.